Hi, my name is Megan Moore. I am the People Experience Manager at Super Radiator Coils, and I've been here for 2 years. Usually when you start a new job, it's hard to kind of integrate yourself. You have to kind of, walk the perimeter and, slowly make friends. But here it was like, hit the ground running. These are your best friends. These are your coworkers, and you guys are close, and it was immediate like that. But I was also accepted immediately. Like, everyone just took me in, and it's just been such a a focus of teamwork ever since. In a workplace, I value having autonomy and knowing that I am permitted to do my job and allowed to do my job, and they want you to do that here. They're like, do whatever you have to do, just make sure it's done. And I love that. I love the autonomy of this job. I'm coming from a place that's very strict and like, this time to this time you have to be doing this. And so having the ability to kind of do what I need to do when I need to do it is awesome. Also, having a lunch break is pretty rare for me, so that's been really cool. But it's just like, the adult, the ability to be given the opportunity to be an adult in a workplace is what I love the most about this place. School is very regimented. It's similar. It's actually very similar to this. There's bells that release people to go to lunch and stuff like that, and there's very strict timelines that you have to meet. So the culture is similar, but there's way more of involvement with everyone here. Like, everybody's voice matters here more so than I feel like at a school. Like, sometimes it doesn't matter what you think if that shouldn't happen, whatever theory or whatever they're going to start implementing. If you don't agree with it, it doesn't matter. But here I feel like our voices matter. They care about our well-being. I mean, my whole job is just to make sure that people are happy working here. And so I'd never heard of Super Radiator Coils before I applied, but I know how deeply they care about the values here and how they stand by them. And anytime they have a question, or we have a question about how to approach something, you go back to the values. What value, is going to lead you in the direction that will be the best for the company and for yourself. This place is such a gem. It's such a random, weird little corner that you don't know exists. It's like no other place I've ever been. It's just welcoming and kind, and the coffee's great, and it's just a good place to work. And you can't really tell that on the outside, but once you get in, you really feel like you're part of the team. I'm Megan, and I'm glad I switched to Super.